Good afternoon, everyone. This is my front porch Valentine's makeover. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you in and let you take a look at it. Then what I'm going to come back and tell you a little bit about what I've done here. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about what I've done here. We have ice, as you can see, ice is everywhere. It is very cold out, and we had to cover all our trees. But so we're gonna get through this really fast, okay? On the door, I've made a 3-tier Valentines, and all of this decor is from the Dollar Tree. So what I've done, I've taken the sign that says "Filled with Love." I've added the heart shape ribbon to it, and as you can see, it's a little job of hearts. I've added 2 wreaths together, and in the bottom one it says Happy Valentine's Day. So I just made that trio using Dollar Tree decor. Over here on the side, I've added a large red bow with the little wreath, and inside it I put a little red heart. On the bottom here, I've added a lantern. I've kept my black and white ribbon because I'm using the black and white, keeping that as my colors. Here I have the triple heart. Now this, I picked it up at Ross's last year. On the other side here, you can see I have another lantern with the blinking lights. I've kept the black and white bow on top, and I went in and added that little heart, which also was from the Dollar Tree. I think they were 3 for $1.50. I have another tree here on the side. On this one, I've added just a little bow, again with the smaller wreath and the little heart inside. So, this is my front porch entry for Valentine's Day. I hope I've given you all some ideas when decorating your entry for Valentine's Day. I tell you, it is freezing cold out here, so I'm not going to be long with this. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this front porch decorating. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you hit the like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. Before you leave, make sure you leave me a comment and let me know what you think of my Valentine front porch entry. This is Emma, And I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.